Imagine turning your bed into a calm, productive space where comfort meets focus. The Asterisk Best Laptop Bed Desk Portable Lap Table Asterisk is made for those quiet mornings, late-night ideas, and cozy work moments you never want to leave. It supports your daily routine without stress, helping you feel relaxed, organized, and in control. If you value comfort, flexibility, and peaceful productivity, this simple upgrade can change how you work, study, or relax every single day. Number 1. VIFOCAE Foldable Lap Desk Laptop Bed Desk. VIFOCAE Foldable Lap Desk Laptop Bed Desk Portable Lap Table Laptop Bed Table with Cup Holder Tablet Slot Lifting Handle. Black wood brings warmth into daily routines where comfort matters most. Quiet mornings feel softer while creative thoughts flow naturally during relaxed moments. Resting on a bed or sofa becomes peaceful rather than tiring. This desk supports focus without pressure, helping minds stay calm during writing, drawing, eating, or gentle work. Black wood style adds a cozy touch that fits modern living spaces and personal corners. People seeking balance between rest and productivity often look for small changes that feel meaningful. This lap table creates that feeling by offering freedom to move, stay relaxed, and enjoy time without strain. Long hours no longer feel heavy when posture feels natural and organized. Every session feels personal, safe, and easy. For students, remote workers, readers, artists, or anyone valuing comfort, this desk quietly becomes part of everyday life, making simple moments feel more enjoyable and complete. Number 2. SAIJI Folding Bed Desk for Laptop. SAIJI Folding Bed Desk for Laptop. Eating, breakfast, writing, gaming. Extra large 25.6 by 19.3 portable floor stand laptop desk table for adult kids. Wood bed tray table lap desk creates a peaceful feeling during everyday moments. Early sunlight mornings feel warmer while enjoying breakfast without rushing. Calm evenings turn meaningful when ideas flow gently on a soft surface. Bedtime creativity becomes relaxing rather than uncomfortable. This desk brings freedom for study, play, reading, art, or simple meals. Wooden texture adds homely charm that blends naturally inside bedrooms, living rooms, quiet corners. People searching balance between rest, focus, comfort often choose simple solutions that feel caring. This lap desk supports a relaxed posture, encouraging longer attention without pressure. Adults enjoy steady routines while children feel safe exploring homework, drawing, games. Every use feels personal, supportive, reassuring. Small daily habits slowly improve when surroundings feel kind, organized, calm. This table becomes part of life, bringing ease, warmth, confidence, comfort, satisfaction throughout peaceful days, nights. Number 3. Mind Reader Lap Desk Laptop Stand, Bed Tray. Mind Reader Lap Desk Laptop Stand Bed Tray. Folding legs, couch table, portable, medium density fiberboard, 23.25 length by 13.75 width by 10.5 height. Pink brings softness into daily routines where comfort feels important. Gentle color creates a cheerful mood that lifts energy during quiet work, study, reading moments. Using a lap desk often feels personal because it supports focus while allowing relaxation. Resting on a bed, sofa, floor feels natural without strain. This desk suits peaceful mornings, creative afternoons, cozy evenings. People who value calm spaces often choose items that feel friendly, welcoming, simple. Pink tone adds warmth without distraction, helping minds stay light, positive, engaged. Everyday tasks feel easier when posture feels relaxed, surroundings feel supportive. Students, remote learners, writers, artists enjoy having a stable surface that travels anywhere. Small changes like this desk can improve comfort, confidence, productivity. Each session feels smoother, calmer, enjoyable, turning ordinary time into something pleasant, balanced, soothing. Number 4. Laptop Bed Desk, Portable Foldable Laptop Bed Table. VIFOCAE's Laptop Bed Desk Portable Foldable Laptop Bed Table with Universal Serial Bus Charge Port, Storage Drawer, Cup Holder, Lap Desk, Notebook Stand, Tray Table, Serving Tray for eating, reading, working brings gentle ease into everyday life. Quiet mornings feel smoother while ideas arrive without pressure. Relaxed evenings become more meaningful when comfort supports attention. This desk fits naturally into bedrooms, couches, peaceful corners where people seek balance between rest, focus, calm. A clean surface helps thoughts stay clear, emotions stay light. Those who work, study, read, create often desire simplicity that reduces stress. This table answers that need by offering a sense of order, warmth, security. Personal routines improve when posture feels relaxed, surroundings feel supportive. Small moments turn enjoyable when effort feels less heavy. Students, professionals, readers, artists, families appreciate having a trusted space that follows them anywhere. VIFOCAE's laptop bed desk becomes part of daily rhythm, creating comfort, confidence, ease, satisfaction during simple tasks, meaningful hours, gentle days. Number 5. Adjustable laptop desk for bed, bed table. Adjustable laptop desk for bed, bed table for laptops, laptop stand for beds, lap desk, foldable bed desk for laptops and writing, portable beds, tray table with cup holder, fits into everyday life with quiet comfort. Soft routines feel easier when support feels natural. Working from bed becomes calm instead of tiring. Writing thoughts flows smoothly during relaxed hours. Reading, learning, planning feel gentle without pressure. This desk helps create a personal space where focus meets rest. Many people seek small changes that bring peace, balance, control. A stable surface allows the mind to stay clear while the body stays relaxed. Mornings start smoothly, evenings feel lighter, nights stay productive without stress. Home life improves when simple tools support daily habits. Students, workers, creators, dreamers appreciate flexibility that moves with them. This lap desk becomes part of personal rhythm, offering confidence, ease, calm. Choosing comfort often leads to better focus, happier moments, improved routines, satisfying days, peaceful nights, gentle living.